The 2026 Big Bud 747 isn't just a tractor, it's a force of nature. Built for farmers who demand extreme power and unstoppable performance, this legendary machine has been dominating fields and turning heads the moment it rolls out. One look at its massive body and aggressive stance and you instantly know this tractor means serious business. Engineered to conquer the toughest agricultural challenges, the Big Bud 747 carries a colossal engine that produces mind-blowing horsepower. This raw power allows it to pull the heaviest implements effortlessly, whether you're plowing vast acres, hauling enormous loads, or cultivating tough soil. It doesn't struggle. It commands the field. The torque output is absolutely insane, delivering smooth and consistent power at every speed. Even in harsh, uneven, or demanding conditions, the 747 maintains peak performance without hesitation. This is a tractor designed to work non-stop, day after day, without backing down. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Big Bud 747 is its advanced hydraulic system. With exceptional lift capacity, it easily handles massive plows, seeders, cultivators, and trailers. No matter the attachment, this machine works with precision and strength, making large-scale farming faster and more efficient. The powerful four-wheel drive system adds unmatched traction and stability, allowing it to perform confidently on muddy fields and rough terrain. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The cabin feels more like a control center than a tractor seat. Large panoramic windows offer excellent visibility, while ergonomic controls ensure effortless operation during long workdays. Features like air conditioning, adjustable seating, and intuitive layouts make sure the operator stays comfortable, focused, and in control at all times. Fuel efficiency may not be the first thing that comes to mind with a giant like this, but Big Bud has optimized the engine to deliver maximum output without wasting fuel. That means more productivity per tank and less downtime, a huge advantage for serious farming operations. In the end, the 2026 Big Bud 747 is the ultimate blend of raw power, reliability, and operator comfort. Designed for large-scale farms and professionals who refuse to settle for less, this tractor doesn't just meet expectations, it crushes them. If you want unmatched strength, legendary durability, and cutting-edge engineering in one machine, the Big Bud 747 stands alone. This isn't just a tractor, it's a legend in motion.